You are eager to download your favorite YouTube videos. But before we dive into the exciting world of video downloading, let's address the burning question. Is it legal to download videos from YouTube? The answer is not so straightforward. While YouTube's terms of service strictly prohibit downloading videos without authorization, there are certain circumstances, such as fair use, that may allow for legal downloading. In this section, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of downloading YouTube videos using safe and legitimate methods. So let me show you some of the most effective ways of downloading legally YouTube videos. Let's get started.